Hi friends, you are on HorrorMaker channel and I'm HorrorMaker. I hope that you all are in good health and in good humor. However, do not neglect the rules of behavior that must be observed during the quarantine period. Now on YouTube, many authors support stay-home movement. It is known that about 900 million people around the world are at home due to quarantine. So, dear friend, cheer up, you are not alone. For example, I also sit at home and replenish my collection of plasticine characters. But what if you, my dear viewer, right now find in your room an abandoned pack of plasticine and join me? Let's sculpt together. Stay home and sculpt with me. Bravely, my friend, you will succeed. You know, friends, not only people are sitting at home now because of quarantine. Over the past few days, my mailbox is full of letters asking me to sculpt a house for a particular character. Indeed, in order to sit at home, you need this house to exist. In a random way, I chose one of the applications, and ironically it turned out that this is an application from the viral 8-bit from the game Brawl Stars. Yes, it happens like this. A virus asks to make a house because it is afraid to get the virus. It all started with the fact that 8-bit learned from his friends that coronavirus was raging not only among people, but he also made his way into the world of computer games and even to the SCP Foundation. There are rumors that several SCP objects have fallen ill, and there are suspicions that several brawlers are not feeling well. In addition, 8-bit felt that one of his memory chips was cracking inside him in a strange way. And of course, 8-bit did not wait for the situation to worsen and decided to get ahead of coronavirus. Well, as you can see, I have already begun to build a reliable house for 8-bit, which will protect it from any unauthorized intrusions and in which it will not be boring to spend time during quarantine. First of all, I decided that the house for 8-bit should be made in the style of the character itself. So for the modeling I used black, pink, lime color, well, and quite a few other colors. In the room I placed a standard set of furniture, a bed, a table and armchair. On the walls of the virus, as you can see, a cheat cartridge is hanging and 2 star powers. I also made for 8-bit a laptop and a mobile phone. Of course, a fridge with food. I wonder what 8-bit eats. Just in case, I'll put a couple of flash drives there and a couple of hard drives for 6 and 10 terabytes. And a couple of sausage sticks, 10 kilos of sausages and some sweets. During quarantine, immunity must be strengthened, so vegetables and fruit will not be superfluous. Does it need toilet paper? Just in case, I'll put it. So there's food, means of communication, books. I think books during quarantine will not be superfluous. What books do you think might be on the 8-bit shelf? Write your answers in the comments. See the moving curtains? Yes, 8-bit regularly ventilates the room so that there's fresh air, and you do not forget to do so. Yes, one more thing. They say that coronavirus is afraid of hot drinks, so drink hot tea with lemon, raspberries, currant, and ginger. And as you can see, 8-bit remembers this. So, well, a pretty decent room. It seems that I have not forgotten anything important. Hey guys, be quiet. It seems Viral is still fast asleep. Today, he will wake up a little later than usual. After all, today he does not need to rush anywhere to school or to work or to the arena. He has quarantine. He can sleep longer. And you, friends, what time did you wake up today? I hope it's not too late, because the videos on my channel appear quite early, so it looks like I won't let you relax even during quarantine. Thank you all, friends. See you soon. HorrorMaker was with you. Bye bye.